In this session, we are going to create this model, the lower housing. So already we have seen how to create upper housing. So this is a complete assembly that we are going to do. So this is the second model that we are going to generate. So it is in units of inches. So when you are creating a file, so specify that unit. So let me mention as lower housing. So now we can start creating this shape, whatever we are seeing on this particular side. So then we can make an extrusion, then the cutout, whatever the thickness we require, that we can do it with extrude cut. So choose a particular plane and then go to sketch option. So it is symmetrical, so we will create only one side, then we will make a mirror. So now you can create with line, the base is a line. So let me create up to here. Then let me give dimensions to it. So total is 14. So we are creating half, that means 7 inches need to mention, and then this is 1.5, give that value also. So next to this, just create a line from here to here. So then make a arc, so use center and ends. So click over here, position it, and on the same center we are going to create one more arc, because it is same center point, concentric like this. So then just create a reference line over here, horizontal. So we don't want this portion, so that you can trim it out. So then connect this by using lines like this. So then join this area also. So this is fine. I think this one not required. So now give all the dimensions. So as you can see, this is 0.41. Then the inside radius is 4.875. Then the outer one is 6 in that. Then the total height is 6.5. So from here to here. Okay, so everything is fully defined now. So now you can select all the objects on this side and click on mirror, then choose your center line, so it get mirror over there. So then click OK. So then click on extrude. So the total extrusion is 8, so mention 8. Then symmetrical, or keep it only one side only, no problem. Fine. So after this, as you can see, this face, one face is closed, like we have done it in top housing. So select this face and then go to sketch option, and then click on project, select this one, then create a line to close this. So in that same, create this circle, because we need to remove this area. Then select the radius, so same 1.5 we need to mention, then click OK. So extrude inside, as you can see, it is 0.25 mm thickness to 0.25 inch, so you can mention that one, click OK. So then from that face, similar way as we have done that. Now we need to make this a circle over here. So use concentric. So click on this and create a circle, and then go to dimensions, select this one and the outer edge, so maintain 0.25 inches, then click OK. So click on extrude, remove material. So we are going to remove up to 7.5. So why? Because means this side 0.5, 0.5 we are leaving. So from here to here we are removing, so 7.5 is the total cut distance. So next we need to make this cutout exactly on top that we require. So select the face and then go to sketch option. So then make the cutout. So a circle you need to make. So the diameter of the hole is 0.41 and mention the dimensions from here to here. It is 1 inches, and from this end to the center 0.75. Click OK, then click on extrude, flip, choose up to surface because we don't want through, we require up to this one. Click on direction. Okay, so the material has been removed on this direction. So now same way we are going to pattern it. So with respect to direction, select this is your first direction. So we require total 4 items and the spacing is 2 inches. And we are going to make similar kind of pattern this direction. Flip 2 only. Same thing, as you can see this is 14. This one and this one, it is going to match the same thing over here. So there I think we have mentioned 13.5. So mention the same over here also. So after the pattern, it will come like this. So this much only, the lower housing is done.